van coming. Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. So guys, it is a beautiful Monday morning. It is beautiful. It's snowy outside, but it's beautiful nonetheless. And we are outside again. You know, another adventure. We're out there on the street and moving around. Let me just a quick look of what outside looks like. So it's snowy, but it's still a beautiful day. The sun is out.
In 3.2 miles.
Yes. So we're out there, guys, because we don't know what we're doing today. We're just taking a drive out. What did you say? What you said? Alright guys, so you know I'm always showing you all the sunset and all the beautiful stuff out there in nature. Look at this. Look at this.
Oh, look at that.
Look at this.
At the next light, turn right.
How beautiful is that? Oof. So even though it's a snowy day, it is still not a bad looking day, is it?
Sun is shining, but it's cold.
At the light, turn right onto Easton Avenue.
It's a lot of ice out here.
Look over this.
Thank goodness. They got all the snow. They got all the snow here. These people snowed in. People who work from home are the ones who have it.
The destination is on your right.
Alright, so guys, we found a Caribbean food store and we got some stuff. I wanted to share with y'all what we got. Not too much, but a few items. Of course. So we got some Maggi cock soup. Maggi cock soup. 2 Lasco, a vanilla and a strawberry. Cinnamon sticks. All-purpose seasoning. Some top ramen. Because my daughter likes noodles, but I don't give it to her too much. So it was 5 for 10. So I got picked up 10. That's gonna be here for a while. I found National tea biscuits, so I picked up maybe 4. And more seasoning. I like to give her lemongrass tea and chamomile, so we got those. And a bunch of Brunswick sardines, because we're sardine people. You like it? Peanut punch for daddy, because he likes peanut punch. More stuff. Some chicken gizzards, because this is a snack for me. I love this, so I had to pick up some organic chicken gizzards. Put that in the fridge. No choice but to pick up this saltfish, even though I'm not a fan. It's salted pollock. definitely had to get some tasty cheese. As I said, a bunch of sardines. So here are some more sardines. Tin boom, dirty girl or mackerel, whatever you will. Some butter beans to go with the saltfish. Fish and meat sauce. Few fingers of, I think it's about 5 fingers of green banana. And around 5 fingers of green plantains. More mackerel. It's like 4 cans of mackerel. A can of callaloo. There was no ackee. Another butter bean. A pumpkin. Yeah, the sweet potato. Cocoa. Two cocoa. Horlicks for my girl. And last but not least, definitely not, Tropical Rhythm, mango carrot, and pine and ginger. That's it. And this is $150. This is $150 in Caribbean, Jamaican grocery items. So guys, that was a total of over $150 for those items. We just got in. I'm a little tired, a little sleepy, but of course I'm not gonna fall asleep now that I'm at home. We're gonna pack those away. Not making dinner. Most likely we'll be having some more of that oxtail from last night because it was so good. And then pretty much chill for the rest of the day. Hopefully daddy gets home early. So see you guys in a little bit. You want to say something? Nothing? Smile? Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Hey guys, good afternoon. It is Tuesday afternoon actually. Today's a very chill day. It is I feel sleepy. Oh my gosh, I went to bed super late last night. But today's a chill day because it's chilly outside and there isn't much to do around the apartment. So woke up, made some breakfast, and took a shower, my girl and I, and we've just been watching some stories on TV and stuff. So it's nap time for her, but it seems like I'm about to go nap too. So she's fussy because it's her nap time. Say hi guys. Say hi. So I'm about to put her down and I thought, let me just fill you guys in on what's going on today. I am gonna make some dinner. I'm gonna make some saltfish and butter bean with some dumpling and banana. Or pumpkin dumpling with bananas. Yeah, with some saltfish and butter bean. You want that? So I'll probably most likely pick you guys up when I am making dinner. So see you guys then. Alright, so guys, baby girl is sleeping a while now. I am making dinner. I'm making some I'm making pumpkin dumpling. So that's some grated pumpkin with a little flour to combine, to put together like this. So that's the pumpkin dumplings. A little I'm setting that aside, and then I'm going to do some green bananas and sweet potato and saltfish with baked butter beans. Butter beans. So that's what dinner is gonna be this evening. So stick around with me. Alright guys, waiting for the dumplings to be done. So I only made the dumplings and sweet potato. If you look, you can see the sweet potato in there, but it's just dumplings and sweet potato. And over here is the butter bean and saltfish. There it is with coconut, cut down in coconut oil. That's it. And just like that, dinner is served. Pumpkin dumplings, sweet potato, and saltfish with butter beans. I'm about to dive into that myself. My husband is not home as yet, so I'll pick you guys up when he gets home. That I finish eat her dinner already. Hey guys, good afternoon. It is a lovely afternoon.
What time it is?
So
Wow.
whatever. My husband was just saying it's, you guys don't know what time it is, but I'm telling you, it is 12:43
Eastern
and
time. You won't be thankful about it.
and we're having late coffee.
Fresh vanilla.
French vanilla coffee.
Okay, but I got you.
Of course, this lady around here so
Wants to come out. Eh?
wants to get out.
She's almost escaped.
So it is bring your family to work day or be hijacked by a family day. Which one, hon?
Both.
So today we decided to come to work with Daddy. I have a few little things that I wanted to do around the office area. So I decided to come with him. Usually when I come to work with him, he gets to work late because I tend to hold him hostage in the morning.
About an hour and a half later.
So he did come in late, but the sun is bright outside. Oh my goodness, guys, it is outside,
Thank you.
but it's still cold as much.
Thank you.
So I'm gonna clean the fridge. I'm gonna do some cleaning in the office and the bathroom, and pretty much that. I'm not sure if I'm gonna stay the entire day with him, but you guys will be here to see how that part turns out. Say hello.
Put on your smile.
Alright guys, so come along with us. What?
Where? Thank you.
You're so pretty.
Let's go.
Alright guys, so I'm about to get started. Little lady is settled in her little play area, having her pudding, vanilla pudding, and watching her program. So I'm gonna get busy now since she's distracted. Alright guys, so I finally got her down to sleep. You see her there? So I finally got her down to sleep so I could start doing some stuff. So here goes. So I'm gonna clean this fridge out. It needs to be cleaned. It was unplugged for a minute. And I'm kind of try to clean this area, organize everything. Alright. Hey guys, good morning. Oh, it is, I think, Friday morning. I didn't do a video yesterday because I wasn't feeling well. I went back to the shop to finish up what I had started the day before. Got some more work done, but I started having abdominal pains. So I wasn't able to record because I wanted to show you guys what everything looked like when I was done. I did quite a bit, but I've still not completed the whole thing just yet. But I started organizing some paperwork and some other little things, and just wanted to do a complete dust down because some work was being done to the office, and you know, it got dusty and all that stuff. So that's pretty much where I wanted, what I ended up doing. I cleaned the fridge, reorganized the little lounge area, the little waiting area where the high top tables are, the glass tables, and reset the little play area, and clean the bathroom, and pretty much gave the whole area a proper wipe down, and mopped the area, the floor, and all that stuff. But I'm still not done. I'm far from done, because the small things that you don't see takes the most time. So I have to go through some paperwork and sort out some shelvings and organize some more stuff. But I did quite a number. But I've always mentioned that I have fibroids, so from time to time I do get some pains. So yesterday was one of those days. Last night I came in, didn't even get a chance to take a shower. I had to just change and just jump into bed, grab the heating pad, and you know, try to heal myself. So I'll try to make myself feel better. So that was that for yesterday. I'm up now. Everybody is up. Daddy went to work, and my daughter is in the living room watching TV. So I'm about to get up. She's having some fruits and I think and thing. So I'm about to get up and grab a shower and then make myself something to eat, because I am in fact feeling a lot better than I was yesterday. Body doesn't really feel like mine, but it's not painful like yesterday. So I'm about to go grab a shower and get something to eat, and I guess somehow today, throughout the day, it's gloomy outside. Well, not really, actually. I think the sun is bright out there. I've not really looked outside, but I'll pick you guys up somehow, throughout the day, throughout the, you know. I'm about to take a shower now and try to feel better, and then come back to you guys. All right, so see y'all in a bit. All right, my guys, so I'm now clean, fresh, and about to make something. I'm gonna make some mackerel and some fried plantains, pressed plantains. I love plantains. I have a ripe one here, but I might just save it for later for dinner. And I'm gonna cook up my mackerel with some onions and some roasted tomatoes. careful.
Sirens cut through the quiet night like something had gone terribly wrong. A black Rolls Royce zoomed into a big private hospital and
Good morning. Good evening.
Good morning,
Good
good
day.
evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. Hi guys, we are childless today because it's too cold outside.
Hello.
Hi. It's too cold outside. So,
Shopping. Grocery
the real truth is we're expecting a snowstorm,
sleet storm.
a sleet storm. And so it's very cold outside. It's around 12 or between 12 and 14 degrees now. And it's too cold to take our girl out with us. So we are going out to ensure that we have enough food in the house if
To get by.
if we get trapped inside.
Going to traps.
You know, well, he will never get trapped. It's cold. It is cold. Like it's cold on my face.
Almost time of the day.
Yes. And it's, as I said, around 12 degrees out here. And my jacket is wide open.
Class of you.
This is the cold walk, guys. It's a cold walk. It's bright. So don't be fooled. The sun is bright, but it's cold. Yeah. It's cold. He's outside in just a t-shirt. I mean, that's something I would do for like a minute, but no more. And my husband and my mother are usually like, Odessa, get something on. It's cold. But I have a little tolerance for cold. Oops. I have a little tolerance for the cold. A little more than they do. Because I don't like to be hot. It's frozen. So I left this Gatorade in here last night. It was at room temperature. This is my Gatorade. Frozen solid.
Hard-headed.
Also left this water, but it's not water anymore.
So how weird is that? That's water. So is this.
Yeah, look at these. But if we were to open this,
Side by side, one's frozen, one's not.
this was covered with the rag.
No.
It's cold though. It's super cold. I feel like if we
One's
open
solid
it,
and one's not.
I feel like if we cover it, if we open it and pour it out, it might become icy. What do you think? Open it. Yeah, guys. So we're outside, taking you with us to pick up a few essential stuff. So stick around.
Cookies, ice cream.
Cookies are not essential. Yes, ice cream is. Going to the Jamaican grocery to pick up, yes, the Jamaican aisle, because we don't really have a Jamaican grocery store. So we're going to the Jamaican aisle to pick up some essential stuff that I cannot live without. And my husband has to get his sweet treats and some snacks for our child, as well as a few food items for the house. I feel like I want to make some soup tomorrow. If you feel like soup, like some beef soup.
Sounds good.
Alright, so we're making soup tomorrow. My husband promised me some. What you promised me for dinner again?
Huh?
What did you promise me for dinner? Cheesesteak? Cheesesteak for dinner. So let's see if he fulfills that promise. Alright guys, so enough talking. See y'all in a little bit. Oh. Store is packed.
You can't catch everybody.
I'm not trying to catch everybody. And then my husband in here I give me tough talk.
Because she's hungry and I'm not hungry. I eat my snacks, my cookie down. Open the top, no.
And I'm starving.
And I'm not. There it is. I'm still gonna eat, but I'm not as hungry as before. Not hungry. Yes.
I'm starving. In your pocket. I'm having one. Not a fan of all the sweets, but actually it tastes good.
I'll tell you. You say you got sugar too much.
Because y'all don't make things the way we do.
I don't make food. I eat food.
I know. All the right flavors and all the stuff is missing.
I apologize.
It's okay.
Give me $40.
So every few miles, guys, we see a sign like that that warns us to avoid travel because a snowstorm is being anticipated. So I just wanted to show you guys. I was trying to kind of count to see how far each sign is, but not sure. Alright guys, we're coming up on one more of the signs and it says avoid travel, winter storm expected. Avoid travel, Saturday to Monday, winter storm expected. Okay guys, so it is 5 minutes to 11. So after hours of being outside, my plan was to just go to the grocery store and get back to the house this morning, well this afternoon, but we got sidetracked, of course. You know, my husband works on cars, so he ended up going to the shop and getting stuck for a while, and we had to go find somebody else, see somebody else to do something to their car. So I just accompanied him. So we just got back and I wanted to show you what we got for $130. So we got some hot dog buns, we got white sandwich bread, apple cider vinegar, I got an almond extract and a coconut extract, I got a bunch of digestives, 12. I got I guess a 2-pound parcel of sugar. I got 2 special cream crackers. I got a water crackers. I got some Caribbean green coconut milk. I got some cone for ice cream. I'm gonna get the ice cream yet. I got a box of snacks for baby girl. I got a bag of 100% pure canola oil. I got a bag of animal crackers for baby girl. I got a National Spice Easter bun because I bought cheese the other day. I got some tomatoes. I got some sweet peppers. I got some lemon. And I also got some meat, like 3 fish, 3 snapper, 3 nice size snappers. Now I'm gonna go back in my fridge to take them out. But I got 3 nice size snappers, some kidney, beef kidney, and what was it again? And some beef to make some soup tomorrow. So that's about it. That's pretty much what we got today. I don't feel well. I'm a little nauseous because I didn't eat all day. Just had a cup of ginger lemon tea, and I'm about to wind down and get myself together to go to bed, give my daughter a shower, take one myself, and wind down and go to bed. That's where I'm at right now. So I just wanted to fill you guys in on, without leaving you guys stranded, or not knowing what we did today. So I wanted to, you know, come and let you guys know what's up. And of course I miss my girl so much after being away from her for so long. But the only person she missed was our daddy. Anyway, she's with me all day every day, so it's okay. I've accepted it. Anyways guys, I'm a little bit, and as I said, a little nauseous because I didn't really eat today. So I'm about to get myself ready for bed. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning guys. It is snowing outside a lot. It's a lot of snow. Usually the snow doesn't come up here, but it's over here all the way to the door. It's a lot of snow, and it was so windy last night. Look at that. And it has not even started yet. So this is what it is right now. I guess I'll give you guys an update later on. I'm about to make some fried dumplings. Not sure what I'm gonna make with that, but that's where we're at right now. So stick around. It's a not so beautiful Sunday morning. Well, it's a beautiful Sunday morning inside. So guys, typical Jamaican, I was about to make fried dumplings and forgot that I didn't pick up flour. I didn't remember to buy flour yesterday.
Yeah.
It wasn't on my list. So my husband...
But you told somebody better it was. You should log on that.
I didn't remember.
It's the view outside. That's just...
That's where we're going. So we have to go outside now to run to get... I think that's the only thing we're out of. People cleaning snow off their vehicles. So I have to run outside to go get some flour so I could make some fried dumplings. As Jamaicans, you know, we call that weathered food, like some fried dumplings or soup. Or tell me in the comments what other things your parents would have made during like a rainy day or something like that when everybody is stuck at home. My mother would do like some fried saltfish. Those are the days that we would have gotten like a treat. So mommy would do like some fried saltfish or some fritters or fried dumpling and something with some chocolate tea. Somebody's making something and it smells very good. Thank you, my love. Yes, oh, this is outside, guys. This is outside. Yep. Oh, park again. Oh, I remember. This is coming down. Oh yeah, I gotta clean off the snow. So he's about to go clean the snow off the car, so we can run out. I don't have on nothing under my pyjama, and now the breeze I catch my skin. No leggings. Oops. Oopsie. Oh gosh. Oh. Yeah, guys. So it's coming down. It's coming down. It's coming down. Babe, please be careful. Yeah, that's why I mean I go over here. So I was walking into the people's footstep. Wait. Look at him trying to figure out where to cross. Oh my goodness, guys, it's coming down and I'm not even pick up no gloves. My fingers are about to freeze. So he's going all the way over to the other side. Can't zoom from here, from front camera. He had to go all the way up there because he's not gonna try to fall. But as long as I find my footing is sturdy, I'm gonna step down. So he's gonna clean the car off so that we can head out. Already started, so we can. My fingers are freezing. Anyways, guys, my fingers are freezing. So the big bad mighty daddy shark has cleaned the snow off the cars. And we're headed out now to go get some flour. It's so cold. Look at him. He doesn't do well with the cold, guys. Alright, guys, we're gonna head out. So stay with us. It's freezing. Anyways, guys, we're heading out to the store now, so I'll pick you guys up when we get back to the house because it is too cold outside. I mean, if there's anything interesting out there, I'll pick y'all up, but right now gotta put my fingers away. This is what we're driving through, guys. Look at that. Oh. I think it's more than 3. It's above my ankle. It's above my ankle. The highway, guys. Look at the highway. This is the busy freeway. It looks like somebody's backyard, doesn't it? Gosh, this kind of takes me back to Walking Dead. That part where the place has become fully abandoned and it was snowing. I think they were in Jersey at that time. Look at that. Goodness. Guys, not even Walmart is open. We're still trying to find a store. We're at Acme. Let's see if we could, if they're open.
I don't know. What people to stores?
Oh, there's somebody going in. So we might be in luck, guys. Yeah, somebody over there going. What entrance there? Somebody over there, so.
Where we see somebody going now, so we go and try. He's sitting inside there and stuff.
Pull up to the door. Nope.
No?
Let me go check. I'm not really seeing no footsteps, but let me check. Hi. How are you? Good, thank you. So we are in fact in a little bit of luck, guys. The store is open. I'm gonna go try to see if we could find what we're looking for, and then head back to the house. The store is empty. Produce area empty. It's empty. It's empty. Ginger, turmeric, anything like that. It's empty. It's empty here. Go find some flour. Stores are empty. The aisles are empty. Flour. Yeah, I'm just looking at the empty aisles too.
Cookies over there. Those are your pass.
It's empty. The aisles down there are empty. Anyways, guys, we're back home. We're out of the snow, out of the cold. Drink your coffee.
Still going shopping every day of the year.
That's not shopping. I went to pick up some flour. You picked up other stuff.
Still going shopping. Easy. You take it?
No, my husband pay for it.
Shopping.
I pay for it out of my wallet. Pay for it out of my wallet.
Debit card.
Yeah, me use my debit card. Pay for it. Now we're ready, guys. So some fried dumplings and some kalaloo with sardine. We're about to dive in. Alright, guys, so it is Sunday evening and we're about to wind down. I wanted to come because I'm editing the video, the weekly vlog. I just wanted to come in and say thank you as usual for watching our channel, watching our videos, subscribing, but please interact with us some more in the comment section, you know, so that we can have conversations. I look forward to that. If it is your first time coming across our video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel as well. Click that notification bell so that you're notified whenever we upload. As I said, leave a comment, interact with us, because we will interact, we will reply, we will respond. And also, you know, tell us what you'd like to see us do. Tell us what kind of videos you'd like to see us doing. We're doing this weekly vlog, just trying out to see what, you know, what the traction is that we receive from you guys. But if you have any video ideas as well, throw it at us. Let's see what we can do from there. Yeah, so baby girl and I are about to wind down. I'm a little tired, to be honest, and should be on the road tomorrow again, with, even though it's icy out there, but we shall see. We'll see. But until next time, see you guys. Peace and love. Bye.